accountant deposited 1,200 at the end of every 3 months. So that's the keyword. 1,200 at the end of every 3 months. So it is an annuity. Okay? This an annuity. This is the serial payment R. For 6 years into a bank that offer an interest rate 5.63% per year compounded quarterly. Okay. So let's take a look this question. Draw some number line. Okay. Buat number line sikit. Deposited 1,200 at the end of every 3 months. Maknanya dia buat apa tu? R. R dia 1,200. Selama berapa tahun? How many years? 6 years. 6. Okay. T dia 6. At a bank offers an interest rate. Okay. That is the J. J equals to 0.0563. Compounded quarterly. What is the M? M equals to 4. So if we have J, we have M, we can find I. I is J over M, 0.0563 divide with 4. Okay. After 6 years, he no longer made any deposit. What does it mean? What happens from now until 6 years? Apa jadi? Dengan duit yang kita masuk tu. Masuk 1,200 every 3 months. What happened after 6 years? What is it? What kind of annuity is it? It is a future value annuity. Okay, it is a future value annuity. Sebab kita buat 1,200 tu secara berkala. Nanti 6 tahun baru dapat accumulated value. It is a future value annuity. So boleh cari apa dekat situ tu? T dia 6. N dia berapa? 6 darab 4, 24. Okay, untuk soalan A, determine the accumulated amount at the end of 6 years. Kita akan cari future value annuity. Okay, so ingat formula. S, SN boleh, S sahaja boleh, S24 pun boleh, up to you. Okay, S, the R is 1,200 times with 1 plus I, 0.0563 divide by 4. Okay, power with 24 minus 1 over with 0.0563 over 4. Okay. Tutup balik bracket. Okay, press the calculator. What is the value for your future value annuity? Dapat berapa? RM how much? Again? 4? 4, 5. Okay. That is your future value annuity for 6 years. Alright, next one. At the end of 6 years, he withdrew 10,000. Dia dah tak buat any deposit dah. Okay? Lepas 6 tahun, dia kata withdrew 20,000. Okay, dia withdrew 20,000. Okay, so take out 20,000 from there. And kept the remaining balance in the account. Okay, macam mana nak cari balance? How to find the balance? Ambil kita punya S 33980.45 minus with 20,000. Okay, so nanti dapat how much? 13980 and 45 cent. Okay, then what happened? What happened to the balance? He kept the remaining balance. So balance tu dia tak bawa keluar and calculate the accumulated amount at the end of 10th year. Okay, so dia bawa sampai tahun ke-10. So bila dia bawa sampai tahun ke-10, berapa tahun tu? Berapa lama duit dia simpan dalam bank? T dia adalah 4. Okay, so the balance sekarang dia tak jadi dah nilai S. Dia akan jadi apa? Dia akan jadi principal untuk dapat future value yang baru. Okay, so the balance is actually a P now. Okay, so since dia dah tak buat deposit, dia dah tak buat annuity, kan? Annuity dia dah stop. So this is a accumulated value. So dia akan jadi compound amount. Okay, ataupun compound interest pun betul. Okay, alright. So put into the formula. S equals to P 13980.45 times with 1 plus I 0.0563 divided by 4. And what is our N? Our new N, sebab T kita tu 4. 4 darab dengan M. M kita pun 4. 4 darab 4 dapat berapa? 16. Okay, so kuasa 16 sekarang. Okay, so you can find the new S after 4 years. What did you get? RM 0.06. Okay, that is the compound amount at the 10th year. Okay, selepas 4 tahun ataupun pada tahun ke-10. Obtain the total interest he earned from his saving over the 10-year period. Okay, so we have to calculate a different interest. Sebab kat sini tadi future value annuity. Yang ini pula compound amount. So it a different interest. Okay, so untuk future value annuity saya tunjuk satu-satu ya. Nak buat sekali aru pun boleh, tak ada masalah. Okay, alright. So kalau kita cari interest untuk future value annuity, kita cari macam mana? S tolak dengan Rn. So our S is 33980.45. 33980.45 minus with 1,200 times N. What is our N? 24. Okay, so nanti dapat berapa? $5,180 and 45 cent. That is for interest future value annuity. Sekarang kita kena cari interest pula untuk compound amount. Macam mana cari interest untuk compound amount? S tolak dengan P. Okay, so S, our new S lah. 17484.06 minus with the P. What is our new P? 13980.45. Okay. 17484.06 minus with 13980.45. Nanti dapat 3503.61. Am I right? Betul ke? Yes, okay. Dan later cari total interest dia. Berapa total interest dia? Kena buat apa dengan total interest? Nak kena cari total interest, kena tambah. Okay, so tambahkan total interest dia. 5180.45 plus with 3503.61. Nanti dapat berapa total interest dia? $8,684.06. Okay, that is the total interest. Okay. Nak buat sekali arum pun boleh. Saya buat asing-asing. Okay, nak buat sekali arum pun boleh. Okay. Alright, next question. Question D. Soalan D tanya apa? Effective interest rate. What does it mean, effective interest rate? RE. Semua orang tahu kena RE. Apa formula dia, everybody? Kuasa apa? Kuasa monkey. Okay. Monkey, tahu kuasa monkey. Please remember. Jangan buat formula sendiri. Four decimal places first, then later 2 decimal places in percentage. Okay. So 4 decimal places, 0.0575. Okay, so in 2 decimal places, percentage 5.75%. Okay. Alright. This is tutorial berapa? Tutorial 7. Okay.